Project is a very common phenomenon. You may be already managing some sort of project on a daily basis, without even realizing it. It could be as simple as buying an office chair, or buying a smartphone for your mother, or launching a rocket for SpaceX, or even launching a corona vaccine development program. You may be hearing about project management every day, but have you ever wondered if pursuing a career in project management is worth it? If yes, then you have come to the right video. Hi. My name is Vijay, and I am the founder of ProjectsMind.com, and today we would find out if project management is a good career. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to hit subscribe button below, to see our latest videos when they come out. According to PMI, there's a drastic shortage of good project managers relative to demand. Employers will need to fill nearly 2.2 million new project-oriented roles each year through 2027. Based on the report, $208 billion are at risk, due to the anticipated shortage of project management professionals. Project management is an exciting job. However, project management is also a demanding job. It can be highly stressful at times. The purpose of the project is to achieve business strategic goals in a systematic manner. A projectized organization facilitates the coordination and implementation of project activities to reach its objective. This creates an environment that fosters coordination among the team members, with minimum disruptions and conflict to achieve the project goals. The purpose of most projects is to either make or save money. In the absence of a good project manager, a significant percentage of the project ends up losing money, or even failure of the business. Project managers are responsible for leading the project planning, execution, and making sure that the planned deliverables will be available at the end of the project. The project manager's main task is to ensure that things are done right, as per set processes and procedures. The project manager makes sure the why, what, and how of the project is understood by each and every project team member. Project managers are the showrunner of any projects or organizations involved in project management. It is the project manager who takes lead in transforming ideas and goals into reality through project planning and execution. So, in short, yes, project management is a fantabulous career, with high-paying salaries and plenty of opportunities. You can propel your career to top management roles of any company. And, if you would like to know more about projects and project management, visit us at ProjectsMind.com. At ProjectsMind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects,